Do you know that members of the Renewed Hope Ambassadors media team were recently in Imo State? Now, these weren't tourists. They weren't there for sightseeing. They had just one assignment: tour Imo State and see for themselves the major projects that the state government says are transforming the whole state. And honestly, some of the things they visited left many people surprised, from massive hospitals to digital cities, gas projects, power plants, hotels, and one of the biggest conference centers in Nigeria, and even the ongoing rehabilitation of the Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport in Owerri. So if you've not been paying attention to what's happening in Imo State lately, you might want to stay till the end of this video because some of these projects may genuinely surprise you. First of all, take a look at how the Light Up Imo State project is turning out. So after spending the day inspecting projects across the state, Governor Hope Uzodimma hosted members of the Renewed Hope Ambassadors media team to a dinner at the state's banquet hall in Owerri. But before that dinner, they had already seen quite a lot. And at the first stop is the ongoing renovation of the Imo State Specialist Hospital in Umuguma. Healthcare remains one of the biggest concerns for many Nigerians, so seeing an existing hospital being upgraded with modern facilities is actually something many residents hope will improve access to quality healthcare, but that wasn't even the biggest surprise. And then next came the Emmanuel Iwuanyanwu International Conference Center. This place is huge. We're talking about an 11,000 seat conference hall. Inside, finishing work is still ongoing, but from what the team saw, it's already looking very impressive. The goal is just simple: position Imo State to host major national and international conferences, attract investors, boost tourism, and create more economic activities. It's the kind of infrastructure that can quietly change a state economy over time. What do you think? And then the immediate team also inspected the renovation of the famous Concorde Hilton Hotel, formerly known as the Imo Concorde Hotel. Many Nigerians remember this hotel from years back. Now it's been restored into a modern, five-star hospitality destination. If completed as planned, it could once again become one of the biggest hospitality centers in the southeast.
Imo Concorde, formerly known as Imo Concorde Hotel, built by our former governor, late Barrister Sam Mbakwe. His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma has turned the whole hotel into a world-class international hotel to be managed by Hilton. This is the highest brand of Hilton, DoubleTree by Hilton. His Excellency has brought this hotel to international standard. Everything that is here is brand new. This is His Excellency's policy of developing tourism and hospitality business in Imo State. Every other hotel in Imo State now is emulating from what he has done here in Imo Concorde. His Excellency did not stop there. If you look across, you will see Concorde Boulevard, where we are going to build high-rise buildings and other buildings that will also complement the hotel. We are welcoming all the tourists in the world to come and see what is happening.
Healthcare wasn't left out. The team also visited the Infectious Disease Center under construction at the University Teaching Hospital in Olu. This facility is expected to strengthen emergency response during disease outbreaks while providing specialized treatments for infectious diseases. Considering the lessons learned from recent global health emergencies, many could agree that projects like this one are becoming increasingly important. They also inspected the Assumpta Flyover bridge along the Owerri-Onitsha road. Anyone familiar with traffic around that area understands why this project matters. The bridge is expected to improve traffic flow, reduce travel time, and make movements way easier within the state capital. Now, this was one of the most exciting stops. The team visited the Imo Digital City. This isn't just another government building, it's a technology hub preparing young people for careers in the digital economy. So according to the information shared during the tour, over 75,000 youths have already received training through the SkillUp Imo program in areas such as software engineering, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, robotics, and other digital skills. And that's not all. The facility also houses a smartphone assembly plant capable of assembling up to 1,000 smartphones every single day. That's something many people probably did not know existed in Imo State.
The signature projects of His Excellency in Imo State, we are right in Imo Digital City. The Imo Digital City is the innovation hub and the digital entrepreneurship center for the region. Imo Digital City is where His Excellency has invested a lot and bringing his vision to reality in terms of youth empowerment, digital talent production, and building the next generation of technology founders in Nigeria and Africa. The Imo Digital City prides itself as that platform that helps to drive digital transformation in Africa. His Excellency has trained over 75,000 Imo youths in diverse digital skills from basic to intermediate and advanced. And you will see software engineers, cloud engineers, cybersecurity engineers, AI engineers, Internet of Things engineers doing one great thing or the other.
Assemble phones, we assemble our gadgets here at our Imo branch in IBC. So it's been a wonderful experience. This opportunity that the governor has given to us has been helpful. It's been a process of growth and advancement. And
instead of us allowing talents to be imported in Imo, we have groomed a lot of talents in Imo State. We are right now exporting those talents and are helping other states, to also advance when it comes to digital economy.
This is SkillUp Imo. We are being trained on digital skills, beautiful skills, artificial intelligence, which is AI, mobile app. So many things are going on here. And the life of people here have really been transformed because there's now an opportunity to make money. I'm an ex-banker. I was laid off from the bank some years back. And now this is giving me an opportunity to learn new skills. I'm into automation, which I never knew, and I'm going back for my master's in computer science to do more on this, which is a beautiful. In fact, I want to appreciate the governor, His Excellency Governor Hope Uzodimma, for this great job he's doing in empowering the youths and the citizens, or those living in Imo State, because we have Yorubas, we have Igbos, we have Hausas, people from all the parts of Nigeria are here for this cause, and we are all doing well, so we appreciate it.
And to the biggest surprise of all, the media team inspected the Orashi Electricity Company. The company operates a 15 MVA injection substation in New Owerri, helping strengthen electricity supply for businesses and residents. While many Nigerians continue discussing power challenges, projects like this are aimed at improving local electricity distribution.
To do called Light Up Imo Project Phase 1. And here with us here is the 15 MVA injection substation. This substation currently is supplying virtually the whole of New Owerri, axis of Imo State. And what we witness here is a new dawn in the power sector. We have changed the narrative. Most of the hotels are here, and most of them have migrated to this network because of the sustainable and reliability of the supply. There are so many other projects that is going on right even in Okigwe. Imo State keyed into this Electricity Act as soon as it was enacted, and the state government, without wasting time, passed the bill and signed our electricity law, which granted us autonomy to begin to operate in the electricity space, which before now we couldn't do anything because it was in the exclusive of the federal government. Arising from that, we have already set up our own commission, regulatory commission called Imo State Electricity Regulatory Commission. It is starting with the responsibility of regulating power supply and power business in Imo State, which they have licensed this Orashi that is having this substation now to operate in Imo State. They have the license to generate, transmit, and distribute.
Now, if you thought everything we've talked about so far was impressive, wait until you hear this particular one. The media team also visited the ANOH Gas Plant, the ANOH Gas Project, one of Nigeria's largest natural gas developments, located in Ohaji, Ebema local government area. The project is expected to support electricity generation, industrial development, job creation, and domestic gas supply. Although the facility has already begun commercial gas processing and is gradually increasing operations toward its capacity, many analysts believe projects like this could play an important role in Nigeria's long-term energy future.
Nigeria finally has tapped in fully into the natural gas sector. We've had several decades of gas flaring. We have seen the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu really deepen our investment and efforts to stop gas flaring. What we're witnessing here is a massive investment. Nigeria is #1 country with the highest natural gas reserve in Africa. Globally, Nigeria is #9 with 215 trillion cubic feet of gas. So our gas potential almost equals our oil potential. And globally, if Nigeria gets it right, the revenue that will come in from gas, industrial gas, domestic gas, will be much higher than what we have seen in the oil sector. I think what's important today is that we're under a dispensation, an administration that is at par with the realities of our economy. Is diversifying the oil sector, diversifying into agriculture, even non-oil revenue.
Now here's another project that many people don't talk about enough in Imo State. The media team also got updates on the ongoing rehabilitation of the Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport in Owerri. Well, according to these officials, the airport is being upgraded to handle more passenger traffic and larger cargo operations, with completion targeted before the end of 2026. So many people are keeping their fingers crossed. Now think about what that means. A stronger airport does not just make traveling easier, it attracts businesses, it supports exports, it creates jobs. There is indeed a lot happening in Imo State that many people outside the state may not even be aware of. And that's exactly why this media tour was organized, to give journalists and content creators the opportunity to see these projects firsthand rather than rely solely on reports. Now it's your turn. Which of these projects really impressed you the most in Imo State? Let's hear from you in the comments.
This airport, Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport, by original design, the cargo airport.
The whole idea is that this is being turned into an international cargo airport. This was made possible through the collaboration of the federal government, who gave approval for all these things and who are actually collaborating with the state government to make this possible.
You can see that this cargo terminal has 8 warehouses. The warehouses are the other side. This is the terminal building. Inside this terminal building, we have offices and we have cold room. So work has been ongoing for the past 2 months. Everything is set. The only thing that is remaining is equipment to equip the offices and bring all the cargo handling equipment that we need for this place. You know, this place is going to be a hub. You know, we have a lot of importing and exporting. We don't have any in the southeast. So once this airport sets off, it's going to serve all the neighboring states.
Igbos by nature, we are traders. We are more into commerce and trading. So this will be a big relief. Most of our businessmen use faraway ports to bring in their goods. So if we have a cargo airport here, of course it will be a big relief to our businessmen and women who will now find it very convenient to bring in their goods through here. And that will have a multiplier effect in terms of employment, in terms of money to the economy and so on and so forth. So it's going to be a wonderful thing, not only for Imo, but for the whole of Southeast, as he has rightly pointed out.